Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how to add poll on Facebook Reels. Let's get started. Start by opening Facebook on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the top beside the search icon. Then tap on Reel. Now select any photos or videos that you want to add in the reel. If you want multiple pictures or videos, tap on Select Multiple at the top, then choose the photos or videos that you want. After you're done, tap on Next at the bottom right. Now edit the reel however you like. You can add text, music, various effects, and many more. After you're satisfied, tap on Next icon at the bottom right. Here, tap on Add Poll icon. Now add any prompt or question on the upper box, then add the options at the bottom boxes. Keep in mind that you can add only 2 options. After you're done, tap on Save at the top right. Here you can add captions, hashtags, and many more if you want to. After you're done, you can simply tap on Share Now icon at the bottom and share the reel. Then others can vote on their opinion. And that is how to add poll on Facebook Reels. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.